Wildflower fans want to know your favorite song at the moment.
Oh my gosh, my favorite song at the moment? I feel like I haven't listened to music because of the Spotify list that came out. It really freaked me out, so I stopped listening to music.
What was on yours?
There's like the Sundays. My age was like 50. So, this fly, I swear.
The wallpaper on your phone.
The wallpaper on my phone is my fiance. Oh my gosh. My fiance with Lindsay Lohan.
That's so epic.
That's very Wildflower of me.
What's one thing you can't live without?
One thing I can't live without is my Wildflower case. Look how cute. I scanned these undies in a photo print shop in Milan.
Is there anything else that inspired the case itself?
I really wanted to use my tattoos. I love stars. I didn't want to do like a photo of me. I felt like I wanted it to be a bit less specific. And who doesn't love a cute little lingerie set? Who doesn't want their phone to wear undies?
What has been your favorite part of the collab process?
I get to text Sydney and Devin almost every single day. It's a joy.
What do you cook when you want to impress someone?
Ooh, well tonight I'm making a full roast chicken. It's kind of the easiest thing and the hardest thing too because you could do it so many ways. So my chicken is currently salted and chilled in the fridge and it makes the house smell good. A little side of potatoes with it, very sexy.
What is one thing you put on every day that feels like you?
My perfume.
Which is?
It's Comme des Garçons Rouge, and the notes, I change pretty frequently, but I am trying to find my one scent because I think it's important. But the base notes of it are beets, and I love the way it smells. This is the most people have told me that it smells like me, so yeah.
What's your favorite movie of all time?
My favorite movie of all time, I don't think I can do just one, but probably like Ratatouille. I love Spun. I love Queen of the Damned. Splice. I like sci-fi. Alien's my favorite franchise. If anyone from Alien wants to send me something.
Having a girls' night, who's invited?
Ruby's invited. Devin and Sydney are invited. Indiana, who's shooting this, is invited. My stylist Bailey's invited. You guys are invited. Everyone. Open door policy.
Do you have a ritual before shooting?
No, I just try and wake up and get there. And get good sleep before. Because the older I'm getting, the more like lazy eyes I get and like dry skin. So I'm trying to take care of myself before I work now. My hangover breakfast order is something cold. I like a kale salad or a smoothie. I don't know what it is. Like a really cold glass of Diet Coke or water. But I'm not like all grub. I feel disgusting anyway, so I don't want to eat like anything oily.
Our viewers wanted to know if you had a cigarette today yet.
I did, I just had one. I stopped vaping, guys. 1 week. Stop vaping, kids, and smoke cigarettes instead.
Is there a story behind your star hip tattoo?
I think I saw a picture of it online from like an old punk magazine, and my best friend David has been doing my tattoos for a while. And that's how he would practice on me at the beginning, so we just sort of like saw images and then would take inspiration from them and change colors around. I think originally the tattoos in the picture had like zebra stripes and a bunch of fun stuff, so we just made it more simple.
Cute.
Yeah. I went to a place in Milan and I had bought the undies and the guys were like staring at me, put them in the scanner, and I was like, I swear they're new. I took the tags off of the underwear. I was like, I promise I'm not putting like crusty underwear into this.
So funny.
But the images were stunning. They were printing them out this big on accident. I was like, I just need them sent to my phone.
That would be like a cute thing to hang
I
in your
know.
house
I
or
should have kept. I was in such a rush. I should have kept them. I fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay, I need help, you guys, with like holding the phone.
Case modeling 101.
Need to be able to
love
show
to
the
like,
whole thing, but like in a casual way. At
yeah,
the bottom. What you're doing is great.
Cute.
covering your.
Perfect.
It literally lit the case perfectly.
That's it. We got it.
Oh my god, babe, 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 babe! Yay! We should have brought Freeze.
Babe, Freeze would have been like, yeah!
Hold it like. Is that too inappropriate for your company?
Let's see.
It's too inappropriate.
For the company.
I mean, these are really good.
I don't know. I feel like this is the one.
Yeah, these are great.
It's
Oh my god, wait, my
so cute.
shirt kind of matches the.
Maybe actually back up a little bit if it's you three there. Yeah.
What is your set?
Yeah.
Yeah, it works. I'm so short, you guys. I'm shaking.
Yeah, I think this is. Yeah.
Do we fucking love it? Let's see.
Are we awesome?
I think this will work.
Yeah,
cute.
that's perfect.
Super cute.
That's literally perfect.
I love it.
That's really cute.
It's everything.
Yeah, that'll be so cute.
So pretty.
What else do we do?
The sweater?
Yeah.
It's a little itchy big, but
Yeah.
Right.
it's mohair.
Ooh.
Do you want a little flower or anything on it?
I think a black flower. Yeah. It's really cute. Oh my itchy. I'm so excited.
Babe, it's really cute.
Yay. Yeah, cute. Just a little bit more fun.
That's so good.
So good. Wow.
Cutest sweater I've ever worn in my life. Get it off me! Okay, I'm ready for you.
Yeah. Wow.
I mean, I've already seen like 8 that I love, and I don't know how many.
Okay,
Yeah,
you're
you
fine
know?
with
Of the one outfit.
that. So we're good.
Like that one's great, and just like that.
Okay, then we're good. Yeah.
Okay,
no, no,
cute.
No, I love it.
Should we change the dog?
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
is that your phone or mine?
Oh wait, that's not my phone.
Oh wait, yeah, I'm like taking a.
You make me crazy with your silly ways. Got my mind twisted. I'm lost up in this haze. I think I want you. I need you. You're kinda crazy the way you get around. I see the girls watching. You know it get me down.
Okay.
No.
We're in cardigans.
I know, we're literally in sweaters. Like, come on.
Come on, babe. That's everything.
Sydney, you look so good.
Oh my God, stop. So cute.
Oh my god. This is really hard. Wait, you just reminded me to vlog. Set up my camera.
So pretty. Look like an angel.
Yeah, then
They're
it's
like
cute. Then it's
hot
like
sitting
that.
that way.
They're insane.
Like, so good.
Oh Jesus.
You're so good at making girls hot.
I'm like, babe, I think you look like that.
I know,
like,
you also
yeah,
like look like that.
It's not edited yet. We're like,
Oh my god.
so good. Babe, it's insane.
I know that you take me by surprise. One of those little things the universe decides.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Love that done me wrong. When look at you and
Oh, that one's cute.
Oh, that's cute.
That is cute. It's weird, I'm like,
No, it's
No.
everything, babe.
I love
you
it.
tried.
It's everything. It's so good.
Okay,
Oh my God,
let's
period.
Yeah.
So good.
It's so cute. It looks so cute.
I'm so excited.
Should she film an outro right
That's
now?
the one.
This is good.
Wait, I want you to check. I want you to check yours.
Guys, it's
I want you
everything.
to.
Bye guys, thanks for watching, and go buy my case out now.
And I am the cutest, hottest bitch you will ever meet in your life, and I know you want to be me, so just buy my case and it's one step closer. I promise. And I love you.
Buy my case.
I knew that you would know the tide, the pace, the flow. Never go too close, my dear. The next time I come by.
Thank you guys so much for coming. We're here to celebrate not only a beautiful phone case, but two beautiful women and their faces. Three. I hope you love it, and rock your undies until you die.
This one's cute as fuck. Oh.
Forget Chanel.
I kind of love.
I love it too.
Yeah.
I don't want to eat this. It's too beautiful.
The tide, the pace, the flow. Never go too close, my dear. The next time I come by, I'll ride until I
Oh my god.
I know, Indiana said you love it.
I'm obsessed.
Your stars.
will find.
A little did I know that you'd take me by surprise. One of those little things the universe decides. I thought I was caught up in a love that done me